Okay, the next idea is the idea of series discounts. We've only been looking at one discount being applied to the price of an item. Maybe you've been doing it step by step, but actually some items can be subjected to multiple discounts at the same time. And this is known as a series discount. There's a special way of working that out, where you don't have to go step by step. You don't need to work out how much you would pay after the first discount and then do another calculation to work out how much you'd pay after the second one. So let's use an example of an item might get, let's say, an end of season discount of 30%, a cash discount of 5%, and a trade discount of 15%. These are not additive. You can't just add them together. You won't get a total discount of the 30% plus the 5 plus the 15 to total 50%. You're not going to get half price. What you actually pay is a product of the net cost rate. So let's display it like this. You got your 30% discount there. You got your 5% discount there, and you got your 15. Let's write them as net cost rates. What is the net cost rate? 100. Take the discount percentage, which is going to be 70%. If you have a discount of 30%, you're going to be paying 70% of the original price. And 70% as a decimal is 0.7. Okay? What is the net cost rate of 5%? Well, if you're getting discounted 5% off the 100% price, it's going to be a 95% net cost rate, which will be 0.95. And then last of all, net cost rate for a 15% discount, that's going to be an 85% net cost rate, which will be 0.85. And we have said that what you pay overall, your total net cost rate is going to be a product of the net cost rates of all these discounts. So what's the product mean? It means timesing. That's what a product means. So 0.7 times by 0.95 times by 0.85, that's going to equal, just let me grab my calculator, 0.7 times by 0.95 times by 0.85. So in the end, you'll result in 0.56525. So that means, that's in a decimal, that's the net cost rate, total net cost rate, as a decimal. So translating that to a percentage, you're timesing by 100, adding percent to the end. So in actual fact, you're paying 56.525% of the original price. Now, if the question was to ask, okay, you have a series discount of 30%, 5%, and 15%, what is the total discount percentage overall? Well, you would do those steps. You would work that out, that you would have you would be paying 56.525% of the original price. So if you were asked to work out what the discount is, what discount percentage is this? Well, just remember the whole is 100%. So you just need to find what's remaining to work out what the discount percentage was. So 100 take this percentage, which you said was how much you were paying of the original price. 100 take 56.525 is equal to that equals 43.475. So with a series discount of 30 and 5, and just let me check what that other one was, 15, they're all percents. With a series discount of 30%, 5% and 15%, you are getting a total discount of 43.475% as a result of those three. Okay, why does that happen? Because it's not additive. Okay, each step you're paying that percentage of. So at this step you're paying 70% of the original price. Okay, so right now at this stage where I've got that arrow here, you're at 70% of the original price, and then you're paying 95% of this 70%. So now you're even lower, and then at this point you are 95% of this 70%, and you're only paying 85%. So that's why it's not additive. That's why it's product. So try to remember that. Hopefully these instructions help you out with working these questions out for exercise 3C.7.